What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. We picked up the S24 Ultra and I've got to say already, although it's the honeymoon phase, I am absolutely loving this device. More videos still to come. However, it's time to get that front screen protected. We've already done the unboxing video and the Pataka case video. If you haven't seen those, I'm going to link the Pataka one right here, and there'll be a playlist also at the very end of the video for you to check out, so make sure you check that out. Whitestone Dome were kind enough to send over their new screen protectors for the S24 Ultra. So we've got the UV Gen film and the dome glass screen protector that comes with the light and the glue, you know, that we all know from previous videos. But right here in front of me I've got the new Express Align. So you got Dome Protect Your World, Dome Glass EA, Express Align for S24 Ultra. Easy and simple attachment, vivid clarity, oleophobic coating, scratch protection, high touch sensitivity and shatter resistant. So it's a 2-pack, thankfully, so if one does happen to fail we've still got another one. But let me get the trusty unboxing knife and let's get in to this box right here. Let's take a look at what you get. Start with this one, and there'll be more videos to come. There'll be more. If you want to see the dome glass get fitted, let me know in the comment section down below. But we've got the dome glass, and I've got a lot of cases to get through, including one from Whitestone Dome, so stay tuned for that. But you get 2 cleanser tissue, which is a wet wipe, you get 2 microfiber cloths, and you get dust removal stickers that were in this pouch right here, but they came out. And then you get your screen protector, and there's actually, as you can see, 2 of those. So we only need one. We only need one of those, and we only need one of those, and we only need... Okay, so we got the S24 Ultra. So let's go ahead and take this out, and as you can see, there is the new aligner. Shows exactly how it's going to sit. It says for Galaxy S24 Ultra, left, right, fast slide, and up, down, and remove the sticker. So go ahead, and I think you remove this part right here. Yes, you do. So you remove the foam. This is going to sit over, but we need to prep this foam first because obviously I've been using it. So first up, get your wet wipe, unfold it. Now it's only a small one, this, compared to what you'd normally get, but that's all you're going to need. Let's place it on the foam. And let's get that screen nice and clean, get all the dust and crap off it. So there we go, should be nice and clean now. Let's put it to one side because I will use that again. But take your microfiber and just gently go over the screen. I like to do this because it just takes the wetness out of it and makes it a bit easier when you're coming to put the screen protector actually on the phone. So there we go. Then you're going to take your dome glass. You can take either one, the top or the bottom one. I always like to go for the bigger one because you cover more surface area. So just take that out, place it in between your fingers like so. And you're just going to dabble on that screen, get all the dust and debris off that you maybe can see. As I say, plenty of videos coming, case videos, etc. We've already done the Pataka one, that'll be going back on the phone just for now. And then there's plenty more still to come. So make sure you get subscribed and get ready for those videos to go live. So let's go ahead and place that to one side. Then you're going to peel off the backing, like so. Place it over the phone. Like so. So it's nice and snug in there now. Then fast slide, and then slide to 2, and then slide to 3. So 1, 2 and 3. And then we're going to remove this sticker, so let's just do it a few more times just to make sure it's adhered to the screen. So 1, 2 and then 3. And then we're going to remove this sticker right here. So let's go ahead and take this sticker. Keep your fingers on it so it doesn't obviously lift all of it up completely. And there we go, let's take it out. It's on there well. Place that to one side, and then pop your fingers into the middle like so and just lift this piece off. As you can see, we got a bubble right here, we got a bubble right there. So I'm going to take my microfiber and I'm just going to go over the screen and try and get them out as best I can. It seems to come out pretty easy and straightforward. And that right there is a nice install. A couple of little specks at the bottom, that's where it's being wet. Nothing to worry about, this does come out, but okay, so there we go. So screen protector all fully fitted, looks really good, to be honest. I can't fault that at all. Now however, when we do go into the fingerprint, so what I like to do is I like to go into the settings and then go to your security and privacy, your biometrics. So screen lock is set, go to fingerprints. Okay, so fingerprint 1, what I like to do is remove the fingerprint and then add the fingerprint in again, go to continue, register, and then now register the thumbprint or whatever fingerprint you've got. Register that again so that it knows that it's now registering it with something in between you and the glass, which is obviously the tempered glass screen protector is now in between your fingerprint and the actual touch sensitivity itself. Either way, so I've re-added the fingerprint now. So now when you go to get into it, it's now registering that you've changed your fingerprint and it now recognises obviously you've now got the glass on it. So you can just go straight in and you're straight back into your phone. So after a quick wipe over, just to finish it off, it looks fantastic. The clarity is lovely and clear. As I say, you got that oleophobic coating, so water and that will just sheet right off this. Still using the Pataka case, and if we slap that onto the phone, it obviously is going to work because this case doesn't go anywhere near the screen. But now I've got a screen protector on to protect my phone against anything, and it is tempered glass. So that was a nice easy install of the Express Align screen protector. Went on really well. I've just got a couple of fingerprints that I need to basically just get out with this, so I just need to keep it nice and clean. I'm going to add more fingerprints to it, and there'll be a full, obviously, a what's on my S24 Ultra video potentially coming very soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But let me know what you think of the new Dome Glass Express Align. Perfect for those flat screen displays. Be sure to let me know what you think. Huge thank you to Whitestone Dome for sending all of this over. If you want to see the Gen film or you want to see the premium dome glass, let me know in the comment section down below and we'll look at doing a full video on them. For now, I'm going to go and enjoy my phone with its screen protector. It's nice and protected. Plenty more S24 Ultra content coming to you guys. Let me know if there's anything you want to see, anything you want to know. Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care guys, see you all soon.